Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Hamilton, and today we're going to be talking about a meme coin that should definitely be on your radar. They've sold out their pre-sale, they have a really good utility, and it's a meme that hasn't been beaten to death like Doge, Dog with Hat, and other meme coins. So let's just jump straight into this because I think you are going to be impressed, all right? No financial advice here, of course, but I have been in the space for 8 years. I kind of know what I'm talking about. Let's jump in to this meme coin. So, what exactly is Harambe? This is a fairly old meme, but a really, really popular meme and funny meme, to say the least. I highly recommend you check this out and research it because it is funny, right? You'll get a good kick out of it. But yeah, one thing about this coin is, yes, the pre-sale is over, right? They raised over $9 million. You know it's going to be big, right? They also are launching the coin on July 16th, so I would definitely get in the communities for that. Join their Telegram, right? Their thriving Telegram community. If you join this Telegram community, they will essentially tell you when the coin launches and how to buy the coin as well. All right. And as well as that, it has a ridiculous utility. I'm talking a ridiculous one. Most meme coins don't really have utility, and this is why I think this coin will be in the billions. I really, really do, okay, in terms of market cap. So what we will say here is, what is the utility? The utility is essentially a trading algorithm, okay? So it takes a lot of indicators, it takes a lot of trading experience. It's trained an AI with that, a neural network, okay? And then it's trading the markets on a DEX. And they have proof of this on their white paper. Let me just show you real quick. So if we do go, where is this? So here, right, it says under the hood on their white paper. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger for you guys. So it says under the hood here, right, advanced AI algorithms, okay, and techniques powering the trading bot. So technical indicators, as we talked about, moving averages, RSI, MACD, a lot of these things that you're probably aware of when it comes to trading, but they've used AI to train on the best outcomes, right? And on a DEX and in the meme coin market, these outcomes are a lot more predictable. So an AI token like this, I can see performing really, really well in an environment like this. They also have sentiment analysis, so scanning Twitter, scanning all of these other platforms to really gauge what the sentiment is from retail, and then trading that or adding that to its weights in its trading algorithm to make money. And lots of other features here coming through, okay? This is a highly in-depth white paper. I mean, they have lots and lots of stuff going on here, but what's important here is the results, right? Does this trading algorithm actually perform? And as you can see here with this chart, this is the profit in terms of ROI. We can see it's performed ridiculously well, right? June 2023 to September 2023, right? During a bear market as well, I might add, this has performed over 200% in terms of ROI, and that is ridiculous, okay? That is really, really good. So the proof is in the pudding here. This is why I'm really in love with this coin right now. It really does make sense to me. I'm a trader myself. So yeah, this is something that should definitely be on your radar, not just as a meme coin, but as an investment, guys. This is actually something that I see making money, okay? If we do scroll down here a little bit on the website, we can see that Harambe is set to rock the charts with a whopping 100% ROI this year alone. Okay, hassle-free profits, right? So no active trading needed. You simply buy the token, you hold it, and then as this algorithm performs, it will use that profit to buy back the token and increase the value of your token, right? So a really, really cool little dynamic here for token holders and a protocol, something that I find to be fairly unique and something that I see just dominating the crypto market, particularly the meme coin market in itself. It essentially acts as a decentralized hedge fund, operates on its own, and shares profits directly with the community of token holders, all right? So we just explained that, but it is here as well. Auto trading AI bot, okay, so the AI takes care of it all. It's fully automated, all right? So it's just a protocol running, analyzing the markets, training itself, and making money for you. So this is something I see just dominating. So this is something I see performing ridiculously well, okay? Now, obviously, the pre-sale is over, as we talked about, guys, and the giveaway is actually over as well. July 8th was that, but you can buy this on July 16th, as I mentioned. So be sure to check out everything in the description here as I talk, because, yeah, this is something that definitely definitely needs your attention right now. If we scroll down to tokenomics here, this is pretty standard. I'm liking this split here, so we can see 10% for sex listings, so Binance, stuff like this, right? Centralized exchanges, 10% is pretty standard, okay? It's pretty much in the middle. You really want like between 5 and 15% from my experience, so this is good. Okay, marketing 5%, that's good. If you go higher than 5%, I would say higher than 10% normally, it's bad because you're giving your tokens to people and then they can just sell it on the market, right? So yes, you want marketing to be lower than 10% for sure. So 5% really does tick the box here. When we're looking at pre-sale here, we can see that they have 30%. That's pretty standard to me as well. You want to give your community as much of a chance to buy, and you want to spread out that asset as much as possible to as many holders as possible if you want your coin to be successful, okay? Because nobody wants a coin if it's all held by one person, okay? Because it just increases the risk and no one is going to buy it, right? So when you see a coin like this giving away a 30%, right, and 40% for DEX liquidity as well, this is something you know that is important, okay? It is something that is going to work. When I do see stats like this, this is what I think, right? If we scroll down to the roadmap here, guys, we can see they're really early on, but they got a working product, okay? They've completed the pre-sale here. What's next? I mean, we're still in phase 1 as well, so I can't wait to read all of this. But yeah, I mean, list Harambe on Uniswap. List Harambe on Uniswap. That is what's next, and that is on July 16th. Write that date down right now because this is going to be an important one. I see this coin literally flying, okay? Phase 2 here, we can see onboarding influencers. That is good. Obviously, you want the marketing to be consistent throughout your launch and after your launch. Okay, launch 1 mil marketing campaign. Okay, I did not know about this before reading it, so this is fantastic. This just gets me even more hyped, right? If you're spending $1 million on marketing, guys, I mean, your token is set, all right? Your token is set. I would say you only really need to spend 250K to get a token successful. To see 1 mil here is ridiculous. So again, I'm just saying the billions of dollars market cap, this is just ticking another piece of criteria here for this coin, okay? List Harambe on Gate and KuCoin, so centralized exchanges, that's good. Okay, that will be fairly soon, I imagine. So after a coin is launched on a DEX, like we're getting on July 16th, then typically exchanges will approach that coin or approach that dev team to list it on their exchange, or the dev team will pay an exchange to list it on there, right? And we can see they're probably already talking to these. That's why they have these exchanges on here already, right? So really good to see KuCoin on there. Massive name in crypto, huge exchange, lots of liquidity there to keep the price stable, okay? Deploy Harambe AI. So this is where the trading will begin for this bot and for this protocol. And yeah, this is where the profit begins as well, and then potentially all the buybacks. If we look at phase 3 here, we can see it launch a $5 million marketing campaign. So these guys have money. They have a products, they have money, they have a huge community already, and they haven't even launched the coin yet, okay? So this is something, again, yes, they have a pre-sale and there will be some sell pressure. Of course, you've got to be aware of that. But what I'm saying here is this is a long-term hold. This is something that I see absolutely dominating. And a lot of that sell pressure may not even come through just simply because of the utility. The utility is so good here that why would anyone even sell this when they're expecting the chart to go up anyway? And there's a utility exactly made for that, right? So it just makes sense here. And again, this 5 million marketing campaign is here. 6 mil in total on marketing. Is ridiculous, okay? This just set for success here, right? Phase 4, you can see integrate Harambe into top crypto bots, list Harambe on Binance and Coinbase, add additional token utilities. I am curious about what this is, okay? But with the utility they have already, if they're adding more, it can only really be better. It wouldn't make sense to add a utility that's worse than the one they've already got. So again, just more bullishness for this coin. Get involved with this right now. Join the community because this is where it's at right here, okay? And a little bit of PR here. If we do scroll down, we can see Blockonomy coming through. Not sure if I pronounced that right. I'm really bad with pronunciations, but we can see here unraveling the new AI-powered Harambe token during its pre-sale launch, okay? As the crypto landscape continues to evolve, it's projects like Harambe token that will lead the charge, setting new standards in technology, community engagement, and investor benefits. If the massive response to the pre-sale is any indication, again, they raised a hell of a lot of money. If we scroll up here, over $9 million, okay? So yeah, if the massive response to the pre-sale is any indication, the Harambe token isn't just a fleeting trend, but a glimpse into the transformative future of cryptocurrency. That's incredibly well written, but incredibly true as well. So again, you can tell I'm pretty hyped about this coin. And again, all over social media, this thing is being blasted. All right, they got huge marketing budget, nice team as well. I've seen these guys before, and they know what they're doing. Okay, so we got Valery Shurik. Valery brings a rich background of traditional finance to the dynamic world of Web3. After spending years in the banking sector, Valery saw decentralized finance's potential to reshape the financial landscape. Now he is leveraging his expertise to bridge the old with the new, paving the way for the future of finance. What this means is essentially he's taking market making and trading bots and AI, all of these new, fairly new technologies from over the past 10, 20 years, and implementing them into Web3 via one of the most popular sectors, which is the meme coin sector. So a meme coin that's a massive meme. They've got massive funding, okay, from the pre-sale, but also from their own pockets as well with that marketing budget, right? And they've got a great utility as well. So really, really just ticking all the boxes here for this coin. If you do want to get involved with this one, be sure to check it out in the description. That is going to be it from me. Be sure to check them out as well on Twitter and other platforms, of course. But yeah, I mean, this community is ridiculous and something that I see flying. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to like it, leave me a comment, let me know what you think of Harambe AI. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.